Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, and today we are going to be drawing Wednesday Addams. An easy step-by-step drawing how to draw Wednesday Addams.
What do we need?
We need a black section, white paper and some colors.
If you stay with us till the end of the drawing and share your drawings with us on Instagram, you might get featured in our next video. If you want to get featured, do share your drawings with us and do not forget to hit on the like, subscribe and button and also add a comment below. Let's get started without wasting a lot of time. We are going to learn how to draw Wednesday Addams.
This is going to be a little difficult.
Because it's a drawing of a girl with a beautiful face. It's going to be a little difficult one.
But Wednesday is kind of evil.
Yeah, let's start with the face. We need to keep the alignment right, so we have to be very careful about the face. So what we do is, let us have 2 points.
Just make the points for me.
Okay, so we have one here, one here. So then what we do is, let's check out what I am doing. We draw one line, we draw the other line, we draw the other line, we draw a further other line, and then
Wednesday doesn't have such a small face.
yeah.
I'm just not understanding. What?
So what we did was, we did a line from here, we did a similar line from here, then we did a little more slanting line here, a little more slanting line here. So here we have, yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Now we do the lips. And the nose.
Wednesday's favorite color is black and white.
And the eyes.
You made my face so small.
So the eyes are done, the eyebrows are done. Now what we do next is, we make the body, the neck. We're not very good with drawing faces.
Me too.
Okay. That's her collar, the ears, the eyeballs,
This doesn't look like Wednesday.
the next would be
What are you drawing?
the hairs, This is gonna look very bad, ugly drawing. But I hope if once we color it, it might look better. Now the, what do we call it? Okay. Here comes this. The shoulder. Now it looks better to some extent.
Correct. What? Look at mine.
Okay. So you need to do what,
Mine looks bad.
Yeah.
Okay, my face is not that good.
Now should we quickly color it?
But I'm not even close to done.
This is gonna be the most poor drawing of ours
Correct.
that we have ever done.
Yeah. It's so difficult. Isn't that correct?
Right? Here's the drawing beta. So we are done with this drawing of Wednesday and
We are not.
Oh,
You have not done this.
I done everything.
No, you have not colored the shot.
I do not want to color it. It's not looking good. This is one of the poorest drawings that we have ever done in the past.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do next? Something easy is what I want to do this time now.
Every day I say you that. Want to draw the World Cup football, please?
By the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and as I said, add a comment below of how are you liking the videos, if you want us to draw anything specific, or exactly anything that you have your feedback as. And do not forget to share your kids drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. You never know, your child might get featured in our next video.